5:16 p.m. and it is hot, but it's not as hot as it was yesterday. 91 in Birmingham feels like 100. We have been as hot as 93, but these little cumulus clouds, they're just having a hard time growing upward into the sky to give us any real rain around Jefferson County or Shelby County, although some have had some pretty hefty downpours. One of the reasons that it's not as bad today is the wind has shifted to the east, and that's going to drag in some slightly more comfortable air. Maybe we can put it that way. Dew point should be down to about 65 degrees early tomorrow morning. And then you get into this Friday, Saturday, Sunday here, 69, 74, 72. That's back up in that humid to steamy category. But look at this. Here's the impressive part. The drier air coming in from the northeast, settling in tomorrow. It'll still be humid. You'll notice it. But from, say, Centerville and Clanton, Tuscaloosa, Pickensville, southwest, much more so than from Jefferson County to Coleman and Walker counties, and over to Gadsden Center and Anniston. Beyond that, when the humidity starts to increase again, scattered showers and thunderstorms will be increasing yet again. This area of disturbed weather out over the Gulf is going to drag one little disturbance up towards central Alabama. This is Saturday at 6 o'clock in the morning. Pipeline of tropical moisture on top of us. That'll help to enhance the scattered showers and storms on Friday and Saturday as it comes in, but moves out pretty quickly for Sunday, and then a big ridge builds in next week, and that's going to push us up near record high temperatures by the middle of the week, maybe close to them. Records are around 100 degrees in the last few days of the month of July, so we could be close to it. This is the heat risk map put out by the National Weather Service, and a few spots in the purple range here, which is that top level where the heat index may get as high as 110 by the middle of next week. But here over the next couple of days, we have a bit of improvement. Highs in the lower 90s on Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Heat index around or below 100. Still hot, but manageable. It gets a lot worse going into next week with actual high temps in the upper 90s by Tuesday and Wednesday. Tracking a couple of heavy thunderstorms this afternoon, mainly in Pickens County right now. Another one trying to develop it here on the northeast side of Aliceville, but these that are around Vienna and Cochran tracking toward the west should be in Cochran in a matter of minutes to seconds, and then around Dancy, yours is coming in here in just a couple of minutes too. Around Jefferson County, St. Clair County, Talladega County, Calhoun County, a few isolated showers are possible, but I don't expect a lot of rain. Temps in the mid to upper 70s through the early part of tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow afternoon, very similar to today. Low chance of some isolated storms on Thursday. Chance of rain increasing a little bit on Friday and Saturday. In fact, on Saturday, we may start the day with a pretty hefty round of thunderstorms over the central and southern part of the state, and those will lift north through the later part of the afternoon and into the early evening. So that's 4 p.m. Saturday. Decent coverage of thunderstorms from Jefferson and Tuscaloosa counties southwest. Those will expand to the north by Saturday evening and Saturday night. If the rain coverage is not that good, though, we probably won't see quite as many storms on Sunday, and then Monday and Tuesday and Wednesday. Put it this way, the drier we are on the next 4 days, the worse the heat could get out here in the final 3 days of the 7-day forecast. And that's why those are all first warning impact days, because those are the days where the heat index is up there in that dangerous category for folks who are susceptible to that. We've got this area of low pressure trying to get its act together in the Gulf. It is not all that impressive. The thunderstorm activity is not centered around one solid area of low pressure, so we don't anticipate this becomes a major problem for the Gulf, but it is going to help to kick up some waves. And with the rougher surf, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, decent rip current threat here on the Gulf Coast. If you yourself or you know someone that's headed down that way, make sure you're paying attention to the flags, and you can always get that information directly from the National Weather Service in Mobile by scanning that QR code right there, and we also have it linked on WVTM13.com. So, next couple of days, the more rain we get here, the better off we're going to be out in this area. The less rain that we get Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, potentially even hotter than what you see right there on the 7-day forecast, with highs in the upper 90s, overnight lows in the mid to upper 70s, and a heat index that just goes off the charts next week.